Hey, what's up, everybody? Cletus T. Judd down at my great friends down at Bill Cole, the Honda Nissan store. Let me tell you something, boy, if I got a sweet ride for you right here. Check this out, the 2023 HRV, and I'm telling you, I'm digging this color probably more than anything I've seen in a long time. Urban gray, and this baby is loaded. I really love the black wheels. We'll have to get a shot of that too. It's got all kinds of good stuff, literally upgrades to everything that they've done to this vehicle right here. Check out this interior right here. The best part about it, I know people are gonna laugh at me, 180 watt sound system in here. You can blow the back windows out of this bad boy if you crank that thing up. So check the interior of this thing out. You talking about sweet right here. Also, it's got the new push button start too, which I think is really cool. New trim all the way around. Pretty much got everything you can imagine on a vehicle. So come on down, Bill Cole Honda Nissan, grab this boy while it lasts, because these things go fast, and just slide one of my CDs in and crank it up to 180 watts. Should work great. Come on down. See you.